Hold him, hold him.
Byron, go get the ball. It's still recording. You gonna do it again? You gonna do it again because it's still recording.
Te vas a lastimar la espalda de por sí, te duele la rodilla.
Oh, I thought you were done.
Throw it inside the garage and keep him in there.
No, that's mean. Dang it.
Well, keep him in that one place, the creepy one. Yeah, over there. Dude, this is like 54 seconds. 56. It's still recording. Did I turn it off?
No, it's a feature film.
Dee 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 dee. Ooh, these burgers look good.
These burgers are actually not supposed to be made while they're thawed out.
They weren't even that thought out.
I think I messed them up though.
No, you didn't.
I don't care.
Nah, they look delicious.
I don't care.
Woo!
Alright, here we go. Feature film. Hold the bud. Who's the dog bud?
You bit my wood again.
Ah! I can't do that.
Do I stop?
One more.
It's almost 2 more minutes.
One
That's
more.
it.
Come on.
It's almost 2 minutes. Ah, get off me, you fly. That's it?